Hey guys, John Asumi here, and I've got a really cool product that I want to showcase. This is for the photographer or the videographer that is on a budget, but maybe you want to improve the qualities of the content that you're putting out. This might be the perfect addition to your repertoire. This is the Neewer NL480 LED light set, and it comes in a complete kit. It's perfect for photography, portrait photography, for videography, interviews. This thing is portable, compact, sleek design, very easy to use. So I'm going to show you the unboxing, and it just arrived just like this in its nice carrying case. I think that's super convenient. And what we got here is we have one light stand, we have a second light stand, and then we've got these three really convenient pouches here. So on one side here I have one of the NL480 2.4G lights still in the packaging. We'll take it out in a second. Here we have the other light, similar. And in this center pouch we have the brackets and mounting hardware and instruction manual that we are going to go through. Alright, so the first item we're going to look at here is the light stand. So you get two identical light stands, and they are the Neewer brand. So if I were to stand this up and then extend it as high as it goes, it actually goes all the way up to 72 inches, which is 6 feet. So that should give you room to raise this all the way up and then mount your light on top and still have a little bit of room between the top of the light and a typical household ceiling. You got this head on top of these light stands, and this just mounts right to it. The light can mount in two different directions for different applications, so you can have it upright for more straightforward video, but then you can also have it mounted downward, so it can do overhead type lighting for table work or hands work that you might be doing. Let's see if I can just point this right at the camera so you can kind of see. That gets pretty bright there. The LED panels, you have 480 total bulbs, 240 of them are white and 240 of them are yellow. You can be close to your subject and you can turn it down dimmer, or if you're far away from your subject, you can turn it up to cast more light, so this would be great for really dark lit situations, and especially if you have two of them on either side strategically placed, you can really get some cinematic effect with your lighting here. And here's just a closer look at the back panel here. So you have your power button, you go on, off would be the middle, and then if you were using these battery packs you would actually use this other position, but since we're just going with the AC power for today, we don't need that one. So you got your on position, your power pack slides in here, you have your control as far as the lighting, you can dim it up and down, and then this lower knob controls the Kelvin value, and it goes from 3200 kelvins all the way up to 5600 kelvins. You've got your adjustment knobs here that allow you to adjust the position of your lighting, barn doors. And this is one of the coolest things about this, is it does come with a remote control. You've got your power button, so you have to power the remote on for it to function. You got your on and off button for the light controls itself, and this is also a dimmer switch. So each time I press the on button it gets lighter, and each time I press it to the off position it gets dimmer until it goes off. So basically it goes up and down by 10% with each press. You have plus or minus here, and that is your Kelvin control. So again, it goes from 3200 kelvins on the lower end all the way up to 5600 kelvins on the upper end. It can control a single unit, or you can have one remote control several units, up to 10 units at a time. It's got 10 separate channels, and each channel can control a separate light, or again you can have the one remote control several different lights that are all on the same channel. Another cool feature is you have a diffuser that comes in and out, and it just slides out just like this. And so that would diffuse some of the light so you wouldn't be quite as harsh. So I just want to show you a few photos that I just snapped really quickly using the lighting that we have here. I've got one light set up in front of me, and then I've got another one set up behind me. And this is just a really easy way to do what I call high-key photography, and it's great for headshots. But it's a good example, so take a look. Alright, well in summary I'd have to say that I give this product a double thumbs up. I really enjoyed using it. It was very light, compact, easy to set up, quick to set up, which is to me is very important. And a good testament to that is that I did this entire review in 2 takes. The first take was with previous lighting that I had already, and that was a true unboxing when I first opened all this. So I had a different lighting, different kind of diffuser. I like the fact that it comes in a carry case. And the remote controls were very, very convenient because I'm so used to having to run back and forth to my camera, or I have to bring an assistant when I do some shoots, so that really saves me some time. Now I'm being lit only by one light, so I'm just using the partner to this one, and it's casting this kind of light on me right now. So I think that's a great testament to how the product works. I wanted to thank you for watching this review. I hope you enjoy the product as much as I did. This is John Asumi signing off.